In this chapter, let us learn about NumPy joining arrays. Joining NumPy arrays. Joining means putting contents of two or more arrays in a single array. In SQL, we join table based on a key, whereas in NumPy, we join arrays by axis. We pass a sequence of arrays that we want to join to the concatenate function along with the axis. If axis is not explicitly passed, it is taken as 0. Join two arrays. If we execute by using concatenate function, the result returns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join 2D arrays along rows axis is equal to 1. See, if we use this axis is equal to 1 function, the result returns 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, 4, 7, 8. Joining arrays using stack function. Stacking is same as concatenation. The only difference is that stacking is done along a new axis. We can concatenate two 1D arrays along with the second axis, which would result in putting them one over the other. This is stacking. We pass sequence of arrays that we want to join to the stack method along with the axis. If axis is not explicitly passed, it is taken as 0. See, if we pass this code, the result returns 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Stacking along rows. NumPy provides a helper function hstack to stack along rows. See the example, using hstack method, the result 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stacking along columns. NumPy provides a helper function vstack method to stack along columns. See, if we use np.vstack method, the result returns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stacking along height depth. NumPy provides a helper function dstack to stack along height, which is the same as depth. See here, if we execute this code, the result returns this 1, 4, 2, 5 and space 3, 6. Okay friends, this is the end of part 11 joining array. In next video, let us learn about another topic, splitting array. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.